Hello, dear students. Today we will see some important questions from topic biotechnology and basically different type of biotechnology which is based on different types of colors. We'll see questions from that topic. So let's start the class. So the first question uh, is the term biotechnology was given by. So you have four options like Carl Erecki, Gregor John Mendel, Watson, and P. Berg. So this is a simple question, and you can easily guess the answer of this question by guessing the work done by these great scientists. Like Paul Berg, he is the first scientist he made the first recombinant DNA molecule. Gregor John Mendel, he's a he's well known for his work in the field of classical genetics, establishing the laws of genetics, also known as father of genetics. Watson, he is known for his model of DNA, double helical structure of DNA molecule. So these three options, they are the incorrect options. And the last option, this is called Carl Erecki. This is the correct answer for this question. The term biotechnology was given by Carl Erecki, 1919. He was a Hungarian engineer and he coined this term that is called biotechnology. So answer is Carl Erecki was a Hungarian agricultural engineer. The term biotechnology was coined by him in 1919. Now the second question, the branch of biotechnology represents the negative aspect of biotechnological sciences. And the options are red biotechnology, green biotechnology, blue biotechnology, and black biotechnology. So here you can see the question asks the negative aspect of biotechnology. So basically biotechnology is known for the positive aspects, that are that is the work of biotechnology, which is the products of biotechnology which are very helpful for the human society. But here the question asks the negative aspect of biotechnology. So we'll see different options like red biotechnology, which mainly deals with the uh, human health and different types of drug medicine production that comes under this field of biotechnology. It's a positive aspect. Blue biotechnology that deals with the marine life and biotechnological sciences which involved in this field, marine aquatic life. This comes under blue biotechnology. Green biotechnology, that is the biotechnological sciences or applications of biotechnology which is in the field of plant sciences or in agriculture field. This is called green biotechnology. And the last option is called black biotechnology. So this is the correct answer. This is called black biotechnology. So black biotechnology is a biotechnology which involves use of microorganism in the field of bioterrorism or biological warfare. So this is the correct answer, and this is a negative aspect of biotechnology, where we utilize microorganism for the as a bioweapon. So this is the correct answer. You can see answer. Black biotechnology, also referred to as bioterrorism, involves the deliberate use of biological organisms for the bioterrorism, biowarfare to harm people for several purposes. Thus, it represents the negative aspect of the of this innovative science. Next question, what is dark or black biotechnology? Dark or black biotechnology deals with. So just we have seen the answer of this question, like desert land, that is a development of management of this land, that comes under some brown biotechnology. Marine biotechnology or aquatic biotechnology, this is called blue biotechnology. Environmental biotechnology, that issues with the environmental issues deals, this is called gray biotechnology. So the bioterrorism is the field which is known as dark or black biotechnology. So the correct answer is C. So dark or black biotechnology is the color associated with the bioterrorism or biological weapons and biowarfare, which uses microorganisms and toxins to cause disease and death in humans or livestock and crops. The correct answer is C. Next question. Next question is brand biotechnology uh, is related with. So brown biotechnology is related with, options are land and desert, bioterrorism, drug and medicine, food and crops. So just we have seen some options in the previous questions, like bioterrorism. This may be another. This is not the correct answer for this question. Drug medicine. This is also not the correct answer because this is known as red biotechnology. Food and crops. This is also not the correct answer because this is comes under yellow biotechnology. So the option A, that involves the use land and desert management. So this field is known as brown biotechnology, where we manage this land and desert soil to make it better. So this is known as brown biotechnology. So answer is brown biotechnology. Brown biotechnology is a branch of biotechnology that is related to the management of arid land and deserts. The brown color represents the brown soil in such an area. Brown biotechnology is also called as arid zone and desert biotechnology. So option A is the correct answer for this question. Red biotechnology is the use of biotechnology in. So options are medical and human health, agriculture, marine biology, and D option is environment. So you can see uh, the option A is the correct answer because this field is related with the medical and human health. Agriculture is known as green biotechnology, marine is known as blue biotechnology, and environmental is known as gray biotechnology. So option A is the correct answer for this question. You can see here. Uh, Red biotechnology is the use of biotechnology in the medical and pharmaceutical industries and human health and health preservation. This branch involves the production of vaccines, antibiotics, regenerative therapies, creation of artificial organs, and new diagnostics of diseases. So option A is the correct answer for this question. Next question is yellow biotechnology is related to the production of. So yellow biotechnology is related with the production of. Options are high quality food and nutrient, drug production, land and desert issues, and environmental issues. So already we have seen some options uh, like uh, land and desert that already have discussed. We have discussed like this comes under brown biotechnology, drug production, red biotechnology, environmental issues, gray biotechnology. So option A is the correct answer. That is high quality food and nutrient production. That comes under yellow biotechnology. So option A is the correct answer. Yellow biotechnology is the use of bioengineering to make food better.